Our next story comes from Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates, home to about 1.4 million people and an array of tourist attractions. But some would say Abu Dhabi's most interesting attraction is its money. A sovereign wealth fund worth $1.5 trillion, one of the biggest in the world. And the city is milking it to lure hedge fund titans from across the world. It is offering hedge fund managers a range of unusual perks, from country club memberships to elite school admissions for their children. Is this Abu Dhabi's bid to become a financial hub, and will it work? Here's a report.
The richest emirate in the Gulf is counting on getting richer. We're talking about Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates. It's rolling out the red carpet for hedge fund titans. Officials are formalizing a program for hedge fund managers. Think of it as a package of perks tailored to lure in the big money makers. And the incentives range widely, from lifestyle support and visas to admissions in elite schools and even memberships at country clubs. So anything goes, as long as the finance professionals move to Abu Dhabi. And chances are that's exactly what would happen. The perks will ensure a smooth onboarding. But more than that, Abu Dhabi itself is a big draw. Rather, the city's sovereign wealth capital is. It's valued at $1.5 trillion. It's one of the biggest sovereign capital funds in the world, enough to catch the attention of any big hedge fund manager. On top of this, Abu Dhabi saw a quick post-COVID economic rebound. It offers a relative ease of doing business, a neutral political stance, a relatively low rate of crime, and a time zone that allows workers to trade across European, American, and Asian hours. On top of this, Abu Dhabi is part of a country that loves the rich. In today's climate, few countries welcome the wealthy. In most nations, billionaires often come under scrutiny. But the UAE does not vilify capitalism. That, combined with other factors, makes its capital a giant appeal for the rich. And the city hopes it remains that way. Actually, Abu Dhabi is betting on it. But why? Why is the city offering unlikely perks to finance professionals? In simple terms, to get even richer. Abu Dhabi has set its sights on an ambitious goal. It hopes to become one of the world's biggest financial centers and draw professionals from the likes of New York, London, Hong Kong, and Singapore. The question is, will the plan work? If we are to believe the signs, it could. Let's take a look at the Abu Dhabi Global Market, or ADGM. This is Abu Dhabi's financial center. As of last year, it had 1,825 operational entities. That's a 32% growth from 2022. It had 102 asset managers as well, managing 141 funds. Today, ADGM is the fastest growing financial center in the region. Plus, top global financial firms are opening offices in Abu Dhabi, the likes of Goldman Sachs, Rothschild & Co. and Morgan Stanley. So things are going well for the city. But there is one hurdle: competition. Abu Dhabi is competing with two financial hubs in the neighborhood: Dubai, which is a short car ride away, and Riyadh, which can be easily accessed via short flights. And these two competitors have been in the game for longer. For instance, these three big names may have set up base in Abu Dhabi, but they've been in Dubai for years, where their finance professionals are most likely paying their own club fees from the big money that they've been generating for years. So before Abu Dhabi tries to overtake financial mammoths like New York and London, its first big challenge lies in its own neighborhood. Only time will tell if this city of islands can be a financial island unto itself.